Here's your lunch.
Thank you. What is this?
Hurry now, you don't want to be late for school.
Mom, you've kissed that many people?
Excuse me?
Gross.
Hey, bestie.
Hey. No way. You haven't had your first kiss yet?
What are you talking about? I've definitely had my first kiss.
Come on, it's me. You can tell me the truth.
I am telling the truth. I've kissed like 6 guys.
Okay. I believe you.
I'm telling the truth. Hey, baby.
Babe. 15? Ooh, well, as long as they were before he met me, I guess.
Good morning, baby. I got you flowers.
You're so sweet. Thank you.
Anything for you.
Hey, girlie.
Why are you so happy today?
You wouldn't believe it. I met the sweetest guy, and he's rich.
Are you sure he is who he says he is?
What do you mean?
Have you heard of public data check?
No. What is this?
You search the person by name or phone number and it will show you a background report. It will show things like past addresses, social media, financial disputes, and if they have a criminal record.
You would not believe what I just found out.
What'd you find out?
He told me he lives in a mansion. He lives in an apartment.
Guess he's not rich then.
And uh-oh.
What?
Oh, Mama, I'm in love with a criminal.
What'd he do?
You wouldn't believe it. $1 million or you can see people's locations? Come on, $1 million. Why even ask me then?
What choice did you make?
I can see people's locations.
Can you check where your father is?
Why? He already told us he was going to the grocery store to get milk.
Please just check.
Where's Dad? Yep, he's at the grocery store.
Can you check where my boyfriend is? He hasn't replied to me all day.
Where's Kelly's boyfriend? He's at a party.
In the middle of the day? Honey, can you come help me downstairs real quick?
Sure, Mom. Just let me put my bag away. Hello?
Hey, honey, I'm just driving home now. Work was really late today. I was thinking takeout for dinner.
But, Mom, you're downstairs.
No, I'm still driving home.
Where's Mom? $100 every time someone lies to you, or $30,000? I need to know who's lying to me. I gotta cut out the fake people in my life.
Hey, girlie. Wow, I love your sweater.
Thank you. Oh, you little.
What?
Oh, you have gum? Can I have a piece?
Sorry, that was my last piece.
You could just say no.
Class, we have a new student today. You can go sit next to Brianna.
Oh, that's me. So, what's your name?
It's Jake.
Where are you from?
Texas. Do you think we can meet up after school? I really need help with math.
Sure.
Great, we can go to my house. What'd you get?
Yay! I got Angel. I knew it.
That's great. If you got Demon, we'd have to disown you. Here, this is your badge. Keep it on at all times so people know that you're an angel. Hey, Bree, you look really pretty today.
Thanks, Derek.
Why are you talking to him? He's a demon.
I know, but he's kind of sweet.
Don't get any ideas about Derek. Angels and demons are forbidden to be together. You'll be outcasted.
Okay.
Besides, demons are players who'll just take advantage of your pure heart. Hey, Bree.
Hey, Derek.
Wanna come over tonight?
I don't know. I can't.
Come on.
Where's my badge?
Oh, are you leaving so soon? Can you hurry up?
I'm just looking for my badge. This must be it. Sorry I'm late. I just had a really crazy night last night.
Why do you have a demon badge on? Is that Derek's badge? Hey, honey, reveal your letter. Wait, I want to get it on video. Are you recording? I am. Reveal it, sweetie. An F? F must mean for failure. Steven, be nice. Keep this on at all times. No one can know your letter.
Mommy, I don't want to wear this. I look silly.
You have to wear it, okay? Why do you always wear that headband? You look ridiculous.
I just like it.
Take it off. I need to see where you stand in the hierarchy.
Don't.
I said, take it off. Move your hand. That must stand for failure. You must be the lowest ranking in the hierarchy. How embarrassing. You got an F. Wait, did I just hear you got an F? Fs are actually very special. Brianna, can you come with me for a minute? There's something really important you should know. Can you play with me?
I'm gonna be late for school. Why don't you go to your own house and play?
Catch! Come on, let's play.
Are you still here? It's getting late. You should really go back to your own house.
Why won't you play with me?
Where's your mommy?
I don't know. Last time I saw her, she was in the bathtub.
The bathtub? Where do you live?
I live here.
That's impossible. I live here. What's your name?
Isabella Applewood.
There's this little girl that's been hanging around the house. She won't go home. She says she lives here.
What's her name? I'll ask the neighbors if they know anything.
Isabella Applewood.
Isabella Applewood. She did live here 100 years ago before she was murdered. Well, I'm gonna be the fairy. You can be the princess.
Can I play with you guys too?
No, don't let her play with us. She's weird. You really think we'd play with a weirdo like you? All right, class, finish handing out your treats. Look at her. She's already chubby and so ugly, and she's still eating. Are you not having breakfast?
No, Mom. I'm not hungry.
Are you wearing a sweater and track pants to school again? It's so hot out today.
I know, but I'm really cold.
Look at that huge pimple on her chin. Shh, she's looking this way. Hey, can I sit with you? Why are you covering your chin?
I have a pimple.
I don't see anything.
You don't?
No. Where's your lunch?
I don't eat lunch.
Here, have half my sandwich. You look like you're about to pass out. Steve.
Hey! What's wrong?
I can't sleep over at my boyfriend's anymore.
Why not?
He says I snore too much, but I don't believe him. I don't snore.
Here, use this app. It's called Mental Tracker. You'll be able to see how much you actually snore, and it will find ways to improve your sleep quality.
I used Mental Tracker last night and look.
Oh wow, you do snore quite a bit. And you have poor quality of sleep.
Hey girl!
Long time no see!
Guess what?
What?
I've managed to stop snoring and I have better quality of sleep.
No way, that's great!
But now I'm kept up by my boyfriend. He talks in his sleep, and the worst part is he doesn't believe me when I tell him.
Well, prove it to him. Get him to track it on Mental Tracker and let's see. Quick, cover your eyes. There must be a black cat around. We don't want to get bad luck.
Thanks, that was a close one. Who's down to play a game of cards for money?
I don't know. I've never actually played cards before. Actually, you know what? I'm in.
And I have a king. Try and beat that.
An ace.
No way, another ace?
Alright, boys. Here's your cards back. I had a lot of fun playing.
Seriously, you took all of our money.
I know. Wasn't it great? Yeah, it was great. And then I took all of their money. Wait, don't take a further step. There's a crack.
Let's jump over it.
Good idea.
Whoa!
Mom, I'm back.
Why did you only get 5 bottles of air? I asked you to buy a case.
I know, but your card was declined, so I stole it.
You stole them? What if the police catch you?
What was I supposed to do? We were out of air. I had no choice. Just drink your air. Don't worry about it. I need to get more air for my family. I'm only gonna ask nicely once. Put all the air you have into this bag right now.
No, I'm calling the police.
I didn't want to.
What is that? Ah, my eyes!
Yeah, Mom. I grabbed as many bottles as I could.
Mommy, can I have a bottle of air? It's hard to breathe. I'm sorry, honey, but I don't have any bottles left. It's too expensive now. Just close your eyes and rest. I'm scared.
Here. I got lots of bottles. You can have some of mine.
Oh, wow. She can't move for 7,000 hours? That's a lot. Are you doing the robot right now?
Yeah.
You're not supposed to move.
Oh, no, I forgot. So, what's this timer for?
I don't know. It's probably a timer until they come and execute you for moving.
Seriously? All because I did the robot?
What are you eating?
Raw onions. I want to eat my favorite meal before I go.
And your favorite meal is chopped up raw onions?
Don't knock it until you try it. There's only 1 minute left. I love you, bestie. You're the best friend that I could ever have.
I love you. Don't go, bestie.
It's at 0. This is it. It's over. Nothing's happened yet.
Maybe you're safe. Oh no.
Could I buy 1 bottle of air, please?
That'll be $500.
$500? Are you serious? It went up again?
Yeah, air's in high demand right now. It's just business.
Okay, here.
Here's your air. Oh no, honey, we're almost out of air. Can you go buy us a 12-pack case of bottled air?
A case of air? That's really expensive now. Are you sure we can afford it?
We'll have to try. Here, take my credit card.
Okay. Hi, can I just get a 12-pack of bottled air, please?
That'll be $5,000.
5,000? It went up again?
Air's hard to get nowadays.
Okay.
It's declined.
Please just give me some bottles. My family has no air left.
Run a business. If you can't afford it, get lost.
What's that over there?
Over where? Hey, get back here!